Sorry guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in PTVS once again, and today I am going to challenge myself to land a little airliner at Saba. So let's just get into it. To be more intense, we are going to use this Boeing 747, and we are going to do Air Force One. Oh, dang it, it's Game Pass. Oh well. It says please clear the pad. Oh, anyways, let's just spawn it in. And there we go. Now tap the pilot, zoom out, and now we gotta back out of here. So, like, where is Saba? I think Saba might be where I see something. I'm tired of waiting. I'm just gonna check off on the taxiway because who cares? This is PCFS. We can do whatever we want. Take off, take off, take off. Okay, let's turn landing gear up. But like, if I want to land it safe, I'm gonna have to go really slow. I'm gonna land at a slow speed. I'm still gonna start slowing it down. Get off my screen. Where is? Oh, I think I know. Oh, it's probably somewhere over here at the very far. Yeah, I know it's out here. Yeah, it's out here. Let's go full throttle. Oh, I see it. Slow it down. Wait, is that something? Where is Saba? Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna go full throttle. I see it. I see it. Sorry if you hear that in the background. Anyways, let's turn this bitch. Well, we had a little bit of a crazy approach, but we did it. We're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. In part, I actually forgot what part it was. Part whatever is coming in about 20 minutes. Bye, guys.